Wales Bonner x Adidas Superstar Wander White and Fox Brown brings a seasonal twist to the duo's long-running collaboration. With a quilted off-white upper, retro shell toe, and Fox Brown 3-stripe overlays, the design updates last year's blue-trimmed model. A cream sole and dark chocolate inner lining complement the new colorway, while gold foil branding on the tongue, heel, and side adds elegance. This pair keeps the collaboration's signature vintage aesthetic intact while exploring fresh fall hues. Though only one pair has been revealed, a full fall 2025 capsule is expected, potentially offering more footwear and apparel. Staying true to the line's roots, the pair mixes archival Adidas elements with Wales Bonner's refined, British-inspired detailing. The result is a retro-modern blend that appeals to both fashion-forward and classic sneaker fans. This release continues the narrative of luxury meets legacy.